busted out the back door.
Guy's trying to lift
If your
this
5 or 6
thing.
dudes can't lift that, I don't know that the lift gate will support it.
I think they were just bitching out. Like, what is the big problem here? 6 dudes. Yeah, I mean,
They tried to leverage it up just using people, but it
They
doesn't.
are,
even if it was 1,000 pounds, they should be able to pick that up.
Not if you can't get a good grip on it.
if you can't get a good grip, that's the problem.
Yeah, well, the dude in the camo pants.
Well, you get somebody to lift it a little bit,
Make it a lot more
and
interesting.
then another person gets under that.
Yeah, you want to stick your hands under that while like some dude's holding it.
That thing probably weighs like 500 pounds.
Well, you gotta have
Now look,
people
he's gonna get
lift
into
it
the
up.
truck and he's gonna back it up.
Yeah, this
I
is
had
the,
Very good, gentlemen.
there we go. Oh,
Like you gotta.
Reuse your head.
I know better than that.
Jump in there.
I had a piano dropped on my foot when we were moving a piano, the one house,
ow.
because we were moving it. We were moving out the door. And the other people dropped it, and I was still holding it, and
You're missing the ship.
I saw it.
Oh, we got it up on the lift gate a little bit.
Looks like
I say it's a coffin. They say it's a toolbox.
Oh, now that.
Professional ones that are all
Yep, they're just skimming it up onto the lift gate.
They say it's a toolbox. I say it's a coffin.
They can't seem to lift it up.
No, that thing, it's got to be full.
It's a small.
If that thing's full, it's got to weigh like 500 pounds. There we go.
that
That's right.
probably would be difficult to lift. Just
Well, the log was still hard because it's like.
Watch it be so heavy it flattens the tires.
They go to pull the lift gate up and the truck falls over.
I mean, you're not
The
like
front end of the truck goes up
whatever the hell
45
his name is,
degrees.
The dude from Game of Thrones, who, like lifted the the one who's like a weightlifting champion, who lifted the
I'm just surprised there hasn't
the
been
like
on
go up
call.
on the roof
1,000
with a
pound
chair after
log.
they get
Like,
You first, Bill.
yeah,
He walked with the log on his back for like.
3 or 4
Holding
steps.
sign.
It's like 1,000. Yeah, it's like
Because it looks like there's
Some
another one still
insane-
in that.
yeah, it's like some insane.
It was
You know.
literally like a Viking legend. It was like, I
The-
want to do that.
There's a Viking legend that this ship crashed, and this great Viking
There's another one sitting on that like
took the
tow
mast of
vehicle
the
over there.
ship
Yeah.
and was able to like move it. And to simulate that,
The wheels are moving
he
on.
basically
Yeah,
took
the
this
casters.
same
They won't.
wooden mast of a ship and like carried it.
As full as that thing is, or as heavy as it is, that caster's going to bend.
Uh-huh.
Even if they do get it up, they're not going to be able to roll it.
I just like I started lifting it up like this. Like, I had
That's how that
here,
truck's
like,
trying to get through.
We were trying to move it.
Oh!
pull it off.
Oh!
It would be funny if it flipped the
Yeah, I
other
got it
way.
up.
Can't tell now because the stupid truck's in the way. Damn you, truck, you're missing the moment of victory.
He wanted to waste a bunch of time, and I was like pissed. I was like, no. I was like, we're doing it right now. And so I picked it up, and like, or he picked it up, and we put it on the log because we couldn't get it
That
on
was
the chain.
What a mess.
delightfully anticlimactic. I can't see.
Friday
You gotta,
afternoon
like,
rush
when
hour
you have
traffic,
something like
no
that,
less.
then you gotta like
Yeah.
put your shoulder into it when you lift.
Hey, it's
You
up.
can get it balanced like midway on your shoulder.
I think I just like.
Now the people in the right lane are going to get pissed off because,
The body didn't fall off.
yeah. No emergency services in sight anywhere. It's like a PennDOT operation. Everybody's just standing around.
I still want a cop to be like they're finding him. Give him a
They
ticket.
can't find them.
Yeah, you can actually.
Yeah, if your stuff falls out in the middle of the road.
It wasn't properly secured.
It wasn't properly secured that your stuff falls out in the middle of the road. Yeah, they
just
can.
holding up traffic, sure.
I don't think they would.
You don't think they ticket you for your stuff falling out?
No.
Nah, if it was like.
If it didn't cause an accident,
Especially if you're like a
It
commercial
depends.
company.
Hey, everybody,
If the
happy
straps-
hour in the middle
if
of
the straps broke,
279.
It's one thing, but if it's shown that it wasn't properly
it'd be funny if that was like a little mini bar.
That's what I was just thinking. That's what it looks like. They're
Uh-huh.
going to pause for a celebratory drink here.
I don't think they would. You don't think they take
Did they just use the lift to get it upright? Or?
Yeah, they used the lift gate to get it up far enough that they could flip it onto the casters.
And then that guy just like pieced out.
Oh, there's a semi coming by in the right lane there.
Yeah, he's moving.
Yeah, that ain't gonna happen.
No, he's blocking traffic so they can roll it off.
I'm surprised. How long has that been going on, Amber?
About a half hour.
I'm surprised the cops haven't done
Yeah, that's what we're saying. Now, how are they going to get it up on the truck? They have a winch.
Yeah.
Well, it was up there in the first place at some point.
We think.
Yeah, it may not have been.
We
Well,
think it was
there's
up
another
there.
piece of it right there.
But is that actually part of it though? Like. Now, see, this person in the Jeep should be smart and move their Jeep over.
Well, that's him. That's one of the people.
Yeah.
Yeah, but no, like over, like on the other side, so it, there he goes.
What if this is an actual delivery company? Somebody's probably not going to be keeping their job. Yeah.
But that's a tow truck.
Yeah.
Like a car.
That's it. They're gonna have to pull that small one off if they want to drop the bed.
As the person falls off.
This is like square peg round hole.
That one's cutting this rig up the brake.
No, the rig pulled over to
No,
block
yeah.
traffic on the second
He has his
lane.
blinkers on.
I agree.
Oh, now the
How
driver.
many of them does it take to?
There, yeah, the trucker just got out.
He's gonna try and help him.
Are they gonna tilt that
Move
bed to
this.
get it up on there a little bit?
They
You
would
can't
have
lift
to.
this?
Well, they could empty the drawers and lift it up there.
Yeah, that would involve dropping a whole ton of tools just randomly in the middle of the highway.
I mean, what's another hour? They've already been here long enough.
Yeah, they're very slow at taking care of this.
They said it's like a PennDOT operation.
Still no cop. That's amazing.
Oh, there we go.
Yeah,
Is that guy holding that thing?
I'm highly surprised that there wasn't.
I was waiting for that thing to roll off and hit the other one and knock it back over.
That would be funny.
They are in St. Louis. Sorry.
Push me out of the way, Jesse. I see how it is. Rude. I can't stop watching now. It's in the server.
Before they pull it up on there, they're gonna play the Benny Hill music and run around the truck like 6 or 7 times.
That was no, that was on the back of a truck.
Yeah,
Like a
yeah.
pickup truck. It had a lift gate on it.
What's that?
Yeah, see, they actually know to get it on there, and I said no. They lift.
Yeah,
it
they just
with-
used that guy's thing to get it uprighted.
Well, why the hell couldn't they use the big truck then? To do the same concept.
No,
It doesn't.
it
They wouldn't have been able to get it
wouldn't have been able
underneath.
to lift. They're gonna drag it up on now, where that thing was able to go up, you know what I mean, and actually lift
Yeah,
it.
but-
It was on there to begin with. It wasn't
Yeah,
properly
yeah.
secured.
You know, like if they got under it and.
So that, where it's sitting right now, it won't go up. It would, if it went up, it was gonna go forward through.
Oh yeah.
Bill, that number that you gave me
Mhm.
didn't work for the fax, so I sent it to this one.
Comedy of
here.
errors.
I don't know if that went directly to Vicky, but I sent it to this
Well, they
one.
said for our East Coast area, that was the right one.
Yeah, but kept beeping. This
Okay.
isn't a valid number, so it went through.
So I wrote it down wrong. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Way to go, Bill. Writing down all the numbers. Is that the whole thing? Is that what that is?
It's a toolbox.
But it doesn't. No, it just doesn't look like it.
It looks remarkably intact for having fallen off in the middle of the interstate.
Just glad it didn't hit anybody.
Yeah.
It's exotic animals in there. That's what it
Yeah,
is. There's a tiger
I'd expect
in
to see
there.
like a giant crack in them.
Hey, Jeremy, your phone may run out of memory before this operation is over.
It's a Pixel, so it should. I don't know if it's recording to the flash or if it's going to upload it to the cloud.
Oh, look, here it goes.
Could send this into like WTAE or something.
Yeah, really.
I'd have quite an editing job to do.
Oh, it's only 11 and a half minutes so far. That's not too bad.
No, they can't push it.
Shouldn't there be a winch on that thing?
Yeah, that's what I said.
Yeah, there should. I thought there is one.
Typically on that kind of a truck, there's a winch to pull the broken down vehicle up.
I don't think they can get it like over the lip of the lift.
Yeah. Well, if they...
Trying to get the wheels straightened up and everything.
Yeah.
That's why she's getting locked out so often.
Oh.
It's lifting the back end.
Yep.
I don't know that the girl told me.
Da, 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 da.
Told you they were gonna be playing the middle.
Want me to open this for you?
Did anyone consult yet?
No.
Oh, truck driver's going to get something.
Crowbar. I said they should find the crowbar drawer. Just take. You got tools.
Probably locked, I can't get into it.
Probably.
It's a robbery on that.
So thinking maybe it's a safe. I just can't imagine how this thing could be so heavy.
The second you're gonna see somebody lose their hand.
No, those suckers.
Oh.
Yeah, if it's a toolbox, they weigh a ton.
Oh,
Hey.
The trucker had a brain.
As it gets to the top.
It's probably an average day for the trucker.
Yeah, as it gets to the top,
The tires blow out.
it breaks and it goes sliding back down on the traffic.
Wheels fall off.
It's gonna not. No, it's gonna go back down. It's gonna hit the little one. The little one's gonna go and hit the line of traffic that's coming around.
And see, if they were smart, they would hurry up and put the bed of the truck back up.
Before you did all this, you couldn't have like pushed all this stuff.
Well, you
over
got to get
to
the other
right-hand
cart back up
lane.
too.
It was like standing out in traffic when you were doing this too. You see one of the dudes like back up and get hit by a car.
Well, if it decides it wants to tumble, I'll have to now.
Yes, sir.
You ever call them about that micro printer and tell them to get their asses in gear?
Oh, that's been an ongoing issue today. They came in earlier.
I'm amazed that when that thing first fell out that it didn't cause an accident.
I'm amazed that I mean, like you can hardly see scratches on it.
Yeah.
It's a hell of a toolbox.
I mean, he did.
Make for a good ad. Show the toughness and durability.
There we go.
Just yeah, it was regular gauges. So it's gotten a lot better. It's only sorry to intrude.
Oh, you're cool.
It's like the tiniest bit up top is getting cut off at this point. So the hopper, whatever they call it.
I wouldn't jack around with that.
How soon does that happen?
That's gonna be Monday. He has to go and get the
Are they able to wait for them? They're good?
Sorry.
Are they okay to wait for them?
It's only the large. It's only the biggest job they have to run. So the guy's gonna come right before Kyle starts running it, replace the parts and see what it does, so you can see what's happening in real time.
You better get the model number and everything together and ready in case we have to do the purchase.
Yeah, I have most of that copied down.
I should talk to them if they want to get a backup.
I actually have that information.
Have two of them sitting there, you know, in case one.
So, yeah, I feel like we might want a backup to start with anyway. I have the model and stuff if you want.
Hope he's gonna secure it on there better this time.
I'm not
Get
sure
him
what-
off the road doing it again.
Right back out again.
I guess I'm gonna have to stop watching the people outside. All right. Hello, Lincoln IT. I'm doing pretty well. How about yourself? Yeah, I can definitely look that up for you. What's the user ID?
Ooh,
Yeah,
I think it was gonna go for a minute.